Welcome to My Car Service Repair Centre in Leicester. We're the premier choice for car servicing and repairs for commercial and private motorists throughout Leicestershire and beyond. Our expert team can service and repair all cars and specialise in German makes and models. We offer a comprehensive range of services as well as MOTs, but on top of this, we also offer a free visual health check. Take advantage of our while you wait service and relax in our comfortable waiting room. Or why not try our free collection and delivery service? As proud members of the Good Garage scheme, we look forward to helping you with all your motoring requirements. Thanks for watching. For more information, please call us on 0116 246 4644.